What are some sounds you hate to hear with your cochlear implant? Oh, a little bit of background. We both started with high-powered hearing aids, and then we got cochlear implants. It doesn't mean we love wearing them all the time.
No.
And there are some sounds that sound better than others. I hate the sound of running water,
Me too.
especially loud toilet flushing. Not a fan.
I don't like the sound of people opening the bag.
Yeah, that's a good
Snack
one.
bag.
Oh, that's horrible.
People say they love the sounds of the birds. I don't like
we
it.
hate the sound of the birds.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Fuck the bird.
Yeah. You say it for me.
Yeah, sounds of nature between the waterfalls, the sound of rain, the birds that we don't want to hear. It's not pretty, you know?
I don't like to wear my processor at dinner.
Dinner, I don't blame you, yeah, because dinner can chaos.
And then they eat, and then they talk, and then put the cup standing up, and it's just like take it off, and
Much calmer that way, I like that.